Hey, what's up, guys? Been a long time. So I was just doing an oil change. I thought, like, might as well just make a video for you. Why not? But I'm sorry, I already started doing everything that I was supposed to do. I removed the oil cap from here. It's right there, right? So I removed it, and that's just the funnel. Anyway, so I also actually drained the oil, engine oil already. But just to show you, get under the vehicle. By the way, this is a 4.6 liter V8 engine, okay? And this is your oil pan, and you see the splash guard right there, and it has a 17 bolt. You just take the bolt out. I have that down here, right there. So you just remove the bolt right there, and all the dirty, nasty oil will come down in the oil pan. All right, so I'm gonna put this bolt back on while I'm here, and then we will start removing the filter. I have not removed the oil filter yet, so that'll be the good thing I will show you. Just bear with me. Let me put this back on. I'll be right back. All right, so here's my new filter. That's frame. By the way, the part number is same. Whether you get Extra Guard, XG2, whichever, it's all PH2, XG2, Tough Guard, TG2, available at Walmart. And here's the, let me get this out of here, stupid thing. Anyway, all right, here's the brand new filter, right? And here's the oil filter, right there. And in order to remove this, you're gonna need 93 wrench right here. Okay, I hope you can see that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this, remove this oil filter, put the new one back in it, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so actually I end up using a different wrench. However, I just kind of broke it loose, and oops, there's some oil coming out. I'm just trying to remove this oil filter. Oops, there we go. There it comes out. Here's that. All right, so I got this out. By the way, so this is the original part number, just in case if you want to get the Motorcraft one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the PH2 by frame. It really doesn't make too much of a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the new oil filter back in there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put on our new oil filter. Excuse me, just a dry cough, not that I'm sick. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this up. I'll be right back. Excuse me. All right, so now I'm up here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and use this 5W20. I'm using Valvoline today, so we're just gonna go ahead and use 6 quarts, and that should be it. So after adding the 6 quarts, guys, please rev up your engine. Make sure you know it's up on the maximum temperature. I would call that right in the middle. You know how to do it. I mean, I don't have to tell you everything, so you guys know what to do. Once your the engine temperature is right in the middle, you know, turn it off, give it about like a couple minutes, then check your dipstick, make sure the oil level is up to the mark where it's supposed to be. And this is how you do your engine oil change on Mercury 4.6 liter. And I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye. All right, so now since we are done with the changing oil, now we still have this oil change required message light, right? So we want to go ahead and reset the life for the oil. What you want to do, turn your key off, turn it back on. Now you will see this message popping up again. There it is, right? Now, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and click on your, you know, setup, info, reset, all that. So you want to use your setup and then reset button. All right, so look at your display screen. So what we're gonna do, hit on, press reset to clear, which I did. There it is. And then we're gonna press setup, then setup. One more time, setup. And here we go. It's gonna come right next to it. There we go. Oil life start value set to that. Okay, so we are good here. Just in case I'm gonna go back again. So just to show you. So your setup key and your reset key. These are the buttons that you gotta use. So come back here, hit setup, go back, keep going, reset for calibration. And I just made it 90%. I don't know why I did that. Let me just change that. There. All right. Awesome, Darren. We are done. That's it. Thank you. See you next time. Give us a thumbs up. So before I let you guys go, so again, you're going to hit the reset button. The setup button, and then hit reset. And you want to hold reset for new oil, and now let's change to new, and we are all good to go from here. It's just gonna go do his automatic updates or checks. As you can see, is doing that from the system, so we're good to go from here. All right, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we see you next time. I have a bunch of videos that I gotta upload, and I hope you will be a part of our community, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.